The cast iron skillet is one of the most versatile tools in your kitchen. From searing to baking, dips to Dutch babies, cakes to cornbread, the skillet can do it all. Here are some of our top skillet recipes to put your pan to work. There's nothing better than a perfectly pan-seared steak. Cast iron is the ideal pan for searing since it gets super hot, creating the perfect crispy crust. A simple citrusy marinade and steak seasoning pack flavor into these sirloin steaks, while finishing them in the oven helps cook them to a perfect medium. Well done. This easy skillet apple pie is as easy as pie gets. Start as you would any other apple pie, by peeling and slicing apples, then tossing in cinnamon sugar. Then start to build in your skillet. First, butter and brown sugar combine in the skillet to make a simple caramel sauce. Then into the skillet goes a layer of store-bought pie crust, all the apples, and a top pie crust to envelop the pie. Crimp, brush with egg whites, and cut slits the steam can escape. Top with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for apple pie perfection. Buffalo dip is a game day staple, and this one delivers every bite of the creamy, cheesy flavor you crave with no meat. Instead, it's loaded with buttery cauliflower, cream cheese, and sour cream. It's sprinkled with cheddar and baked so it gets a crispy cheese crust and warm molten center. Garnish with even more blue cheese, then it's time to go for a dip. This skillet cornbread is a no-frills, good-as-it-gets recipe for a Southern classic. If you're wondering how one can possibly make classic cornbread even better, cook it in a cast iron skillet and brown your butter. And calling all savory cornbread purists, this recipe doesn't call for even a teaspoon of sugar. Getting the skillet nice and hot before adding in the batter helps create a thick crust around the edges, while leaving the center moist and tender. This recipe is a winner. No corny puns needed. If you love cinnamon rolls, you have to give these pistachio tahini cinnamon rolls a try. Cinnamon rolls take a little extra time, but are worth every minute. And working with yeast is nothing to be afraid of. Once the fluffy yeasted dough has proofed, it's rolled and filled with figs, tahini, pistachios, and warming spices like cinnamon and cardamom. To really take these rolls over the top, glaze with a citrusy tahini frosting and sprinkle with even more chopped pistachios. They're soft, bursting with flavor, and perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a treat with a warm cup of coffee. Sticky sweet monkey bread gets the PB&J treatment in this decadent dessert that the whole family will love. Store-bought pizza dough saves time and money and bakes up nice and fluffy after a quick proof. After baking right in the skillet, this monkey bread gets drizzled with even more grape jelly and peanut butter, plus some honey roasted peanuts. Go nuts! Satisfy any chocolate cravings with this gooey, indulgent, chocolatey peanut butter skillet cookie. The cookie batter gets assembled, baked, and served right in the skillet, saving time and dishes. The final result is a decadent cookie with chewy edges and a gooey chocolate center. Garnish right in the skillet with scoops of vanilla ice cream, a drizzle of melted peanut butter, and more mini peanut butter cups. What could be better? So what are you waiting for? Become a well-seasoned cook with these easy and delicious cast iron skillet recipes.